What's happening, guys? Junior's Tech here, back with another video. Now, we all know I enjoy my headphones, especially over the head, in-ear, etc. I've reviewed some amazing headphones on this channel. So a company called Monster emailed me and wanted to send me over a pair of their headphones, and I was more than happy to accept. So they sent over these. These are the pure Monster sound. You have to hear it to believe it, which I'm sure I'm going to believe it. So there's a few things going on here. Up in the top corner there, we do have noise cancellation, which is nice to see. We have Monster Persona ANC wireless headphones. So we do have a few things. We've got pure Monster sound, we have call, we have the ability to quick charge, 30 hours of playback, Bluetooth, and so much more. So I'm going to get this unboxed and we'll see what we are working with. So when we unbox it, this is what we get. We get a very nice hard case going on here and a little accessory box. So as always, let's see what accessories we get and we'll go from there. So this is what we get. We have a user manual here. This is pretty much just going to tell us everything we need to know about these, and nothing massively exciting going on there. We do have a little bit of limited warranty, everything you need to know about the warranty, and then we have a couple cables. So we have USB to micro USB. No, sorry, we don't. We have USB to Type-C charger going on there, which is also nice to see. We do have a dual jack. I think this is what you would use on an aeroplane. Don't quote me that. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that's what that would be used for. And then we do have a very nice 3.5mm jack going on there. Straight cable and also a 90-degree one, which is also nice to see. And it really is a credit to see something like that. It just goes to show that they put more into their accessories as well as their product. Now, unzipping this, we have a nice Monster logo going on there. We're in gold, well, in a more brass of a gold. And it does have a little bit of peel plastic on there, which is very nice to see. They really have put all the efforts out. Now, as soon as we open it, we have the headphones inside. We do have a little Ziploc bag in here, which your cables can go in, which I'm going to pop them in there because 9 times out of 10 when it comes to cables is I lose them straight away. And let's get these set. So this is what we are working with. Now, I've got to admit, I like the look already. They've got the black, they've got the gold, the brass. It looks great. So let's have a look at the headphones first, have a look around them and see what we're working with. So we'll start with the right ear. So we have a little tidbit. We have the Monster logo, we have pure Monster sound, and we do have a little outlet going on there, which is nice to see. We have a few buttons. So we have ANC, which is active noise cancellation. What looks like a few microphones, 3.5mm jack, we have the on-off button, and we also have a volume rocker, which is also nice to see. Now, on the opposite one is pretty much identical on the head, and then we do have what either might be an LED or a microphone, and we also have the Type-C charger, which allows for fast charging capability. Now, the head of itself is, so the side of it as well is more of a matte plastic, but on the top here is a more of a matte rubber. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but they do have the Monster logo engraved there, which is nice to see. We have Monster on both sides of the connectors, which are metal and brass, which is also very nice to see. It really does add to the aesthetics. That really does look incredible. Now, we do have quite a bit here going on of, which is about 25 to 30mm extendable, so it does give you full maneuverability either side. So this is definitely going to fit everyone's head and everyone's features, which is also great to see. Now, the cushion on the inside does look very small, but it is extremely soft. I have to admit that really is incredible. You can tell these are going to be extremely comfortable, especially if you're going to be wearing them for a long period of time. See if you're using these for editing videos or simply just watching music, watching videos and listening to music, which is nice to see. Now, the heads themselves do have a full 90-degree of tilt, and that is more so when you do put them away, they tilt away like that, which is quite nice. And they both sides do tilt inwards, just like that. So it will massively going to save on space, especially if you're going to put them in the hard carry case, if that's something you're going to do. Now, we do have large instrumentation there when it comes to the left and right sides, and we do have quite a large diaphragm here as well for the sound. The cushions themselves are very large. As you can see, you've probably got just over 3/4 of an inch there of solid foam, and as I squish that down, it just slowly comes back to life, and it really is extremely soft and very comfortable. And it really is quite large as well, so you're not going to have to worry about the size of your ears, because unlike me, I have very large ears. And it's hard to find a pair of headphones that fit my ears. But I have to admit, I've just tried these on and they actually do fit really nice, I have to say. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump to some specifications about these. We're going to go through the process and we're going to go from there. Let's go. So the high performance dual noise sensor microphones as well. So the 2 noise sensor microphones per ear, 1 feed forward and 1 feed back. So on the surface of the headphones, they catch more ambient sounds and of your surroundings. So whether it's in a flight noise, a city traffic, or even office chatter, you immerse yourself in the sound all around you. The adaptive sound control as well is a smart function that automatically detects what you're up to, such as traveling, walking, or even just waiting around. They adjust the ambient sound setting to suit the situation. So the latest Bluetooth transmission technology has been approximately 3 times more data than the conventional Bluetooth wireless audio device. This allows you to enjoy high resolution audio content. So the digital sound enhancement engineer upscale and compressor as well for digital music files, bringing them closer to the quality of high resolution audio. This is happening by restoring the high range sound lost in compression, produces your digital music files in rich, deep bass sound and powerful 4mm drivers. If you do need a charge in a hurry, you can get 2.5 hours worth of charge on just 5 minutes of charging. So if you do want to go check out a pair of these headphones yourself, head down the links in the description. There'll be a link there so you can go grab a pair for yourself. So there we go, guys. Now, I have to admit, they really are actually incredible. When I first took a look at them, I wasn't sure because of the size of the diaphragms. I thought they wouldn't fit my ears. I have large ears. It is a genuine struggle for me to find headphones that actually fit my ears, but I have to admit, they really did incredible. They are extremely comfortable, and I have to say, when it comes to headphones, comfort is one of the major things I struggle with. For a lot of the products I do get on this channel, 9 times out of 10 the comfort is alright, but it's not really there. With these, it is a total different story. The headband on the top is extremely comfortable on the head, whether you have hair or not. And the cups on the side are basically, it's like having a memory foam pillow on the side of your face. They really are comfortable, and I could wear these for a long period of time. I can see myself traveling a long distance while I've got these and not having a struggle. These are going to fit perfectly, and I like to see that as well. So thank you very much to Monster for sponsoring this channel and sponsoring this video, and sending over some of your headphones. They really are a credit. But for you guys watching at home, if you want to go check some of these out, head down the links in the description. There'll be a link there so you can go check them out, as well as more of their products also. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my further videos. Peace.